Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial that I'm going to show you guys on how to go about enabling or disabling a guest account on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, kung paano ba natin enable yung guest account. So kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na net user guest. So in all small letter lahat, and then space / active semicolon, and then i-type mo lang dito yung yes. Kapag gusto mong enable yung guest account, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na net space user space guest space / active and semicolon and yes, and press mo lang yung enter. So the command completed successfully. So ibig sabihin ay naka-enable na yung guest account. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na net space user guest space / active semicolon and then type mo lang yung no. Alright, so parehas lang sila dito sa una na net space user space guest space / active and semicolon and type mo lang dito yung no and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so the command completed successfully, si ibig sabihin ay naka-disable na yung guest account. Alright, so after dito sa CMD or command prompt, and the next method na pwede natin gawin is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. And then next step, so kailangan mo lang select dito yung run as administrator. Okay, so once na-open mo na itong local group policy editor, so ang next step, so dito lang sa computer configurations ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows settings. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And next step, so dito sa Windows settings, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security settings. So same, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And then dito sa security settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung local policy. So same, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And then dito sa local policy, and the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security options. Alright, so i-click mo lang yung security options, so one time click. At dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo na dito yung ating security settings, and then i-locate mo lang dito yung account, guest account status. So i-select mo lang yan kung paano ba natin enable or disable. So once na-select mo na, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang account, guest account status properties. So dito lang sa local security settings, and then makikita mo na dito yung dalawang options na enable or disable. Alright, so select mo lang dito kung gusto mong enable or kung gusto mong disable. Ayan. And the next step, so click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable or disable a guest account on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.